Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 3, exercise 3.12, example sums. The product of Kumaran's age in years. Kumaran's age in years. 2 years ago, 2 years back, 2 years ago, 2 years back, his age 4 years from now. His age 4 years from now. 2 years ago means you can subtract the age. 4 years now means you can add the age. Now his age is 3 means 2 years ago means the age is 1. 4 years after means 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. 1 more than twice his present age. 1 more than means what is the meaning for that more than? Plus. More than means less than means minus. More than means plus. His present age. What is a present age? You can take it as present age of Kumaran. Present age of Kumaran equal to x. Present age of Kumaran equal to x. 2 years ago. 2 years ago is age equal to x minus 2. Next 4 years from now. 4 years. 4 years from now. 4 years from now you can add the age. X minus 2 years. 4 years from now is x plus 4 years. What is the data given in the sum? The product of these two. 2 years ago and 4 years from now. The product of the is means generally algebraic expression is equal to. 1 more than is nothing but what? 1 plus 1 more than twice means 2 times his present age. What is the present age? Present age is x. See, 1 more than is 1 more than. 1 more than means 1 plus. More than means plus. Twice his present age is nothing but what? 2x. Now you multiply. These two terms you multiply. See, you multiply x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8. Minus 2x minus 8 equal to 1 plus 2x. Okay, so x square plus 2x minus 8 minus 1 minus 2x equal to 0. You bring all the terms to one side. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. X square minus 9 equal to 0. X square equal to 9. X equal to plus or minus 3. Age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. So you can take, cannot be negative. You can take only the positive value. What is the present age of Kumaran? Kumaran age equal to. Kumaran age equal to x equal to 3. The present age of Kumaran equal to Kumaran's age equal to 3. See, example 3.37. A ladder 17 feet long is leaning against a wall. See, a ladder is leaning against a wall is like that. See here, this is the wall. A ladder is leaning against a wall. Okay, see here, leaning against a wall. If the ladder vertical wall and the floor from the bottom of the wall to the ladder from a right angle. Bottom of the wall to the ladder is a right angle. It's a right angle. Find the height of the wall. Find the height of the wall. So the height of the wall you can take it as x. Find the height of the wall. This is A, B, C. Find the height of the wall where the top of the ladder meets if the distance between the bottom wall to the bottom of the ladder is 7 feet less. Top of the wall meets at the bottom of the wall. It's 7 feet less. 7 feet less means what is that meaning? X minus 7. See, ladder height, ladder long is 17 feet. Okay, then you should find out the height of the wall. You should find out the height of the wall. You know very well what is that value. AB equal to x and BC equal to x minus 7 and AC equal to 70 feet. Let x be the height of the wall. See, by Pythagoras theorem, because the ladder is leaning against a wall, it is nothing but a right angle triangle. We can apply for a Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square value? 17 square equal to x square plus x minus 7 the whole square. 17 square is nothing but what? 289 equal to x square plus a minus b the whole square formula. So x square minus 14x plus 49. 14x plus 49. See here, 289 equal to 2x square minus 14x plus 49. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 289 equal to 0. So what is the value we are getting here? See, 2x square minus 14x minus 240 equal to 0. Minus 240 equal to 0 divided by 2. Divided by 2. X square minus 7x minus 120 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 7, product equal to minus 120. If it is minus 120, you can write down all the possible values from the 2 table to the last. See here. Or otherwise, if you want to apply the quadratic formula also, what is that formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. See, 15 8s are 120 minus 7. So it should be a greater number, should be in the negative. Is it clear? See, minus 15 plus 8. Minus 15 plus 8, what is the value you are getting? Minus 7. Minus 15 into 8 is minus 120. So x minus 15, x plus 8 equal to 0. What is the answer? We will get it. See here, x equal to 15, x equal to minus 8. The length should not be negative. The length must be a positive value. So x equal to 15. X equal to 15 feet. So height of the wall. Height of the wall equal to 15 feet. Is it clear? See, a flock of swans contained x square members. In a pond, x square members of swans are there. As the clouds gathered, 10x went to the lake. That group of swans, 10x of the swans went to the lake, and 1/8 of the members flew away. 1/8 of the members flew away. That is 1/8 of the swans flew away. The remaining 3 pairs. 3 pairs means what is the pair? 2. That is 3 pairs means 3 into 2. Remaining 3 pairs played about in the water. It is played in the water itself. How many swans were there in total? They want to find out, we want to find out the number of swans in the water. See here, what are the terms are given here? 10x of the swans went to the lake because the clouds are gathered, it raining. Okay, next, and 1/8 of the members flew away to the garden. Then remaining 3 pairs still in the water. So, how many swans were there in total? See, there are x square swans. There are x square swans. Out of x square swans, 10x went to the lake. So, went to the lake. You subtract. 10x went to the lake. 1/8 flew away. 1/8 flew away. So, minus 1/8x flew away. That is also you subtract. Next, remaining how many of them still in the water? 3 pairs. 3 pairs means 1 pair equal to 2. 3 into 2, 6. Gives 6. Okay. See here. 8x square minus 80x minus 1/8 equal to 6. So, 8x square. 8x square minus 80x. 8x square minus 80x minus 1. Minus 1 equal to 1/8 of x square. Sorry. 1/8 of x square, because 1/8 of the members flew away. It is nothing but what? 1/8 of the members means x square. So, here you will write it as x square. 1/8 of the members. Members is x square. So, minus x square. You can take the LCM. 8x square minus 80x minus x square by 8 equal to 6. 8x square minus 80x minus x square equal to 48. 8x square minus x square is nothing but what? 7x square minus 80x minus 48 equal to 0. If you want, you can do it in a sum product method, or otherwise you can use it as a formula also. It's your choice. See the formula: x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can substitute the values. What are the values? X equal to minus of minus 80 plus or minus root of b square. B square is nothing but what? Minus 80 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 7 and c value is minus 48 by 2 into 7. 2 into 7. So, x equal to 80 plus or minus root of, if you want you can do it any method. Okay. 6400 minus into minus become plus. 7 4s are 28. 28 into 48, 1344. You check the answer. You check it in your F4 column. By 14. By 14. See here, x equal to 80 plus or minus root of, you can add. Add means what is the value you are getting? 4, 4, 7, see 4, 4, 7, 7, 7, 7, 4, 4 by 14, 7, 7, 4, 4 by 14. Now you can find out the square root of 7, 7, 7, 7, 4, 4. See here, Find the square root of 7744. 2 you can separate the term. 2 you can separate the term. See here, 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 because 9 9s are 81. 8 8s are 64 minus what is the value you are getting? See here, 13. Then you bring 2 terms down. You bring 2 terms down. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. So 16, 8 into 8. If you check it, you put some other number, 7 into 7, 5 into 5, 6 into 6. You check the number. Okay. So 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64, balance 6. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 6. 48 plus 6 is 54, balance 5. 8 1s are 8 plus 1, 5 is 13. See. So 8, 8, 1, 3, 4, 4. So the square root of 7744 is, what is the number? 88. See, x equal to 80 plus or minus 88 by 14. Okay. See, x equal to 80 plus 88 by 14, comma, x equal to 80 minus 88 by 14. So what is the answer? See, x equal to 168 by 14, comma, x equal to minus 8 by 14. But Swan cannot be negative. It should be in positive. So this value, it's impossible. So you can take this value alone. So x equal to 168 by 14, it's 12 times. Okay. 14 ones are 14, balance 2, 14 twos are 28. So x equal to 12, but there are x square members of swans. It is given like this. There are x square members of swans. So x square equal to 12 into 12. It is 144. There are 144 members of swans. See, example 3.39, a passenger train. 2 trains are there. One is a passenger train and another is a express train. Passenger train usually goes slowly. That express train goes fast. Okay. See, a passenger train takes 1 hour more than the express train to travel a distance of 240 kilometer. It takes 1 hour more than means it's add. Okay, and express train to travel a distance of 240 kilometer from Chennai to Virudhachalam. The speed of the passenger train is less than, I told you, compared to the express train, the passenger train speed is less. It's less than that of the express train by 20 km per hour. The speed is 20 km per hour. Find the average speed of both the trains. You should find out the average speed of the passenger train and speed of the what train? Speed of the express train. Okay, you should find out the speed of both the trains. See here, you can take it as average speed of first one is passenger train, average speed of passenger train. Passenger train, you can take it as x kilometer per hour because speed. What is the unit of the speed? Kilometer per hour. What is the distance unit? Kilometer. X kilometer per hour. Okay. Next, what is the next train? Express train. Okay. Express train is 20 kilometer fast compared to the passenger train. Okay. Compared to the passenger train, express train is speed. Average speed, increasing speed is 20 kilometer per hour. So, average speed of express train. Average speed of express train equal to 20 20 kilometer speed, increasing speed, x plus 20 kilometer per hour. What is the distance they have to travel? 240 kilometer. Distance is 240 kilometer. See, time taken. What is the formula for time? Time equal to distance by speed. Time t equal to distance by speed. So, time taken by the passenger taken by the passenger train, time taken by the passenger train to cover, this is the distance, 240 kilometer, to cover 240 kilometer. Time taken by the passenger train to cover the distance is 240 kilometer. You know the formula, time equal to distance by speed, distance equal to speed into time. You studied in the physics itself. See, what is the distance? Distance is 240. Passenger train speed, I take it as x. Okay, r. Next, time taken by the express train, to cover 240 kilometer, So the same thing you can do, 240 by x plus 20 r. 240 by x plus 20 r according to the what? According to the problem, see that passenger train is 1 hour more than the express train. So the passenger train is means equal to 1 hour more than the what? Express train. X plus 20. So you can bring it to this side. See here, 240 by x minus 240 by x plus 20 equal to 1. You can take it as 240 commonly out. 240 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 equal to 1. Take the cross multiplication. 240 into x plus 20 minus x. X plus 20 minus x into x plus 20 equal to 1. X get cancel. See, 240 into 20 by, you can multiply inside, x square plus 20x equal to 1. 240 into 20 is nothing but 4,800. So 4,800, you can bring this denominator to the next side. So 4,800 equal to x square plus 20x. X square plus 20x. So x square plus 20x minus 4,800 equal to 0. Sum and product. See, 48 means you know very well 8 6 or 48. 8 minus 6, get the answer 2. So in such a way you can take it as, see here, sum equal to 20, product equal to minus 4,800 minus 4,800, 80 60 plus 20. Plus 20 means what? 80 minus 60. So 80 minus 60, the value is 20. 80 into minus 60, the value is minus 4,800. So you can choose x plus 80 into x minus 60 equal to 0. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? X equal to minus 80, x equal to 60. but the speed cannot be negative. The speed is positive only. So you can choose only 60. So average speed of passenger train. Average speed of passenger train is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Then average speed of express train is x plus 60. So x plus 20. Speed of express train equal to x plus 20, that is 60 plus 20. X plus 20, that is 60 plus 20. It gives 80 kilometer per hour. So average speed of the passenger train is 60 kilometer per hour and average speed of the express train is 80 kilometer per hour to travel the destination 240